Engineer Boy 100. We got another video for you guys. Today, Akil's here again to help me out. He was here last time. You haven't seen him in a while. But today, we're going to do the alternator on a 2010 Toyota Camry. We're going to change the alternator, we're going to change the serpentine drive belts, and we're going to show you exactly how to do it. There's about 5 easy steps. So we can start right now without further ado with step number 1. Disconnect the battery. Okay, we're going to disconnect the negative cable on the battery. Alright, we just verified that all of the parts and connections on the alternator are correct, so we got the right unit. So now let's go and look at what's required to install it. Do just a quick couple of steps to change out the alternator. First, we're going to remove the serpentine belts, and there are 2 tensioners. Here's one in the front, and it is 14 millimeter, and there's one in the back down here, which is also 14 millimeter. We're going to take the belts off because we're going to replace them. Then we'll remove this old alternator and install the new. Once the belts are off, we simply take off this top bolt here, this bottom bolt here, the electrical connector and the main wire, and remove the old. So let's get started. All right, we're going to do the rear tensioner first and take off the rear belt that goes on the power steering. Because of space constraints, we have to use old mechanic strip and connect 2 open-end wrenches like that. See how that's on there? And that gives us the leverage we need to overcome the tensioner, and it's narrow enough to actually get on the nut of the tensioner. So now he's going to use 2 fingers, push down on that, and he's going to take the belt off. All right, here's belt number 1. And now we'll take off belt number 2. And now we're going to take off the second belt. Okay, just like that. Belts are off. Now we can remove the alternator. We're going to start by disconnecting all the electrical connectors and wires. There's just 2. And then we'll do the mount bolts. So now we're going to take the wires loose and the electrical connector. We have a 10 millimeter little mount bracket on top. We're going to go ahead and loosen that up, and then we'll take a loose the wire. We're going to take this wireless 10 millimeter nut on that as well. Alright, good job. And now we're just going to take the electrical connector. Perfect. Now all we have to do is the 2 mount bolts and remove the old and install the new. Okay, so now we're going to take the 2 14 millimeter bolts. And a quick note, if you want to make your life easier, this one here has a floating washer in the back. If you loosen it a little bit and then tap on it, it'll push that washer back so it doesn't squeeze on this centerpiece as much, and it makes the alternator much easier to remove. You'll see when Akil does that, what he's doing is tapping on that to slide that floating washer back into the housing. So now we're going to remove the lower 14 millimeter, and then we'll do this top one with the floating washer, and we'll tap on it. So now we're going to do the top bolt. It's also 14 millimeter. There you go. We put some keel into that one. And loosen it up a bit. We'll back it out. Then we'll tap it in. And keep going. And loosen it by hand a bit so you have some space for the tap. Good job. That's enough. Go ahead and give it a couple of taps on that bolt. Shouldn't take too much. Just nice. Now that alternator should be nice and easy to remove when we take that bolt out. Alright, so let's take that bolt all the way out and see if we can take out the alternator. Bolt. And look at that. Comes right out. Now all we have to do is install the new one. See how we got that nice and flush now? Let me see. Is it going down?
Yep, I think I was right. Need to go down a little bit more.
Let me see how we got that down. Now, see that washer is nice and flush. That's the way you want it, to make it easy, flush, make it easy for you to install it. So let's see how it goes in. Should go on nice and easy now. Boop. Look at that, money. There we go. Good job, nice. So now we're going to do the bottom bolt and put that one in, and then we'll do the wires. So now we're going to go ahead and reconnect the wires, mount brackets, and of course we'll plug in that electrical connector. And shoot it from the other side. Get a little shot. Nice. Wire, 10mm nut. Okay, and finally the electrical connector. Great. Now we'll do the serpentine belts and start it up and see if it's charging. The routing goes around the crank, then around the AC, then we come up and go in front of the water pump, and then up over the alternator. And once we get it up to where it's going to go on the alternator, we'll do the tensioner. We're going to pull the tensioner and get that belt on there. Pull it down, get the slack, and work it onto the alternator. We are Mr. Tore Up Gloves, but we are good to go. Nice, look at that. Good job. Look at that. Nicely done. So here's the alternator belt installed. See how it goes around the crank, then the AC, then it goes in front of the water pump, up onto the alternator and onto the tensioner. Now we'll do the power steering belt in the back. All done. Let's go ahead and hook the battery back up and start her up and see if that alternator is charging. Alright guys, so now we're just going to test the battery real quick to see if the battery is good. If the battery is good, it should show up right here in the good area, or even a little bit farther if it's real good into the low. Then we're going to start the engine and we're going to see, and hopefully the needle will go over here to the OK, telling us that the alternator is charging. So let's hook it up, hook up the negative cable, and voila, look at that. The needle is past the good all the way over, so the battery's really good. Now we're going to start it up, and once we start it and the alternator starts turning, that needle should move from good to OK. So let's see what happens. We're going to hook up the battery and we're going to hopefully get a nice strong charge. Let's see what happens. Connect the negative. Connect the negative. There we go. And this alternator is charging. Right there in the OK. Yay! Good job, Akil. Turn around, get some light on it. There it is. Job well done.